Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning English with Mr. Habes. Today's lesson is going to be about makeup. And today I'm going to focus on 3 different meanings of the phrasal verb makeup. Before we start, please make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new lesson. Now, let's get started. I speak 50 languages. Do you believe this? I'm just joking. I made that up. So, the phrasal verb make up has many meanings in English. And one of them is to invent a lie or a story or a plan. To invent a lie or a story or a plan. So obviously, I just made up a story. I just made up a lie about speaking 50 languages. So don't think about it. I just speak 3 languages, okay? Very nice. Another example.
My uncle made up a story to entertain me and my cousins.
Very nice. So again, when someone makes up a story, this means it's not true. So the first meaning here, to invent a lie or a story or a plan, is done. I hate you. Well, I hate you more. I'm sorry. Will you forgive me? I'm sorry too. Can we be friends again? So this is another meaning of the phrasal verb make up. It's to reconcile with someone. Reconcile with someone, especially after a fight or an argument. So we just saw 2 friends make up after saying they hated each other. So if you need to specify the person that you reconciled with, then you would say make up with someone. Very nice. So the second meaning of make up, the phrasal verb make up, to reconcile with someone, is done. Oh no, I completely forgot your birthday. Can I make it up to you this weekend? So in this case, to make something up is to compensate for something that is lost or missed or deficient. For example, if I have to leave work, let's say an hour early, I might say to my boss, I will make it up tomorrow. So what does this mean? This implies that I am going to stay an hour longer tomorrow because
to compensate for the hour that I missed today.
To compensate for the hour that I missed today. Very nice. So the third meaning for the phrasal verb make up, to compensate for something that is lost or missed, is done. Very nice. So we have 3 common uses for the phrasal verb make up. The first one, to invent a lie, a story, or maybe a plan. The second one, to reconcile with someone, especially after a fight or an argument. The third one is to compensate for something that is missed or lost or deficient. Very nice. What about this one? Make up. What about this one? What do you think?
It's a noun.
It's a noun. Look at this little hyphen between make and up. So here we have make and up, and we have this hyphen. So this is a
Make
noun. It's not like this one, a phrasal verb. And it means cosmetics, okay? Cosmetics. For example,
Girls might say, look at all this makeup I have on.
yes, simply, it means the things that girls put on their faces, okay? Very nice. I hope this video was useful for everyone. And if you guys enjoyed this lesson, please come back for more lessons on this channel, English with Mr. Abbas. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye bye.